Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel VGR Learn. Today topic is the personal tutor. This is the personal tutor. This prompt is act as my personal tutor for subject and teach me step by step from beginner to advanced. Now I will type, copy this prompt, personal in ChatGPT opening. After that, you paste. The topic is Excel. Excel. Okay. What happened is screen is showing the personal tutor. This you want a ChatGPT personal Excel tutor. Act my personal Excel tutor. The Microsoft Excel step by step, starting the beginners levels, progress, advanced level. Explain each concept is languages, practical example. Give me exercises after every lesson. Check these answers and correct mistakes and gradually increasing difficulties. Cover formulas, table charts, property tables, X look conditions, formatting, data validation, query, and excellent article. This is the prompt is ready. If you copy this prompt this way and ask this, what is going on this first. After this prompt copies the given some beginners Excel interface, cell, row, columns format is the beginning. The basic formula sum, average, minimum, maximum, count. The function if and r, count if, sum if, looks lookup functions, x looks up, v lookup, index match, data table sorting, filtering, data validation, conditional formatting, chart, dashboard, poverty table, poverty charts, poverty query, advanced Excel automation. Let's understand Excel. Watch. What is Excel? The store data, calculation numbers, analyzing information, creating, build reports, dashboards, automatic reports. This is understanding Excel purpose. The workbook, an Excel file, worksheet is a sheet inside the workbook. Cell is a single box where data is entered. Row is a horizontal line. Cell, column is a vertical line. Cell referenced. The address for cell, example A1, formula and explain. This way is the given. The product sales, laptops quantity, monitor 20,000 quantity, keyboards is 5,000 quantity. Is the A1 is a product and B1 is the sales and A2 is the laptop, this quantity. The first formula Excel is equal to some B2 B4. This is the B2 B4. In this way is coming. The exercise one, this questions are so given. What of the cell reference monitor? Write a formula in depth is creating. After that, another prompt is the simplify any topic. Now I'll check what happened is going. The simplify any topic is given the address of this way. The every simple language, if you are teaching the complete beginners, start in basic ideas, explain key concepts step by step, simple examples are real, well, analogation, easy to understand, comparison, the avoid unnecessary technical jargon. For example, give short summary, key points, remember 5 patterns, question, check my answer and explain mistakes. In this way is given this prompt. You can paste this prompt and click. What is the output is explain. This is the learning computer network. Computer networking is the simplify any topic like personal teacher topic, simplify, explain step by step, examples, logarithms, summer particles. The another topic is the study note generation. This one, you observe this, what happened on the screen. This video is long, don't miss it. Some information is providing this video. Student note generation, ChatGPT prompt is the, this all prompt is produce this single line, and I will copy paste again this ChatGPT. The what is exposing this after that. The study note generation is the act export study note, creating an academic tutor, create a well-organized student notes on the topic or students explain every concept, simple, easy to understand language, structure note using the headings, subheadings, definitions, key concepts, more important points, example, formulas, real world application, relevant, highly Let's most important exam point, including quick revision summary, common mistakes, and practice questions, answers. Make note this. This way is given. The topic is study note generate networking. Study note generate. Space and copy this. After click what happened the screen, you observe this. The computer network study note is the computer network group of computer devices connected together can communicate and share resources simply when your laptop and Wi-Fi and access YouTube or laptop communicate with other computer through the network. The main of the components of the network sender, receiver, transmission media, networking device, protocols. This is the metropolitan LAN, WAN, this way. What are the networking devices? This hub, switch, router, modem. This way is preparing notes. Networking photo, HTTP, HTTPS, web communication, file transfer, FTP, SMTP, sending email, DNS, converting domain name, IP address. This way is providing. The another prompt is the exam preparation. We type, paste, and upload. The prompt is coming, personal exam preparation subject topic. If you want to this, take this and copy here. After that, you change subject. Subject is the router. Here, router. Topic is users. And upload it. The small notice preparation. This one is the definition of router is the networking device current different network forward data pockets between you using IP address, simplifying your home router, connecting home LAN and internet service provider network along your device communication with internet. Main use of router connect different networks, home network, internet. Forward data pocket, selected router, connecting local area networking and provide networking at extension NAT can provide DHP. This way is given. The easy memory trick is C is connect network, F is the forward pocket, S is the selected routes, and I is the internet connectivity, N is the NAT, and D is the DHP. So this way, the examination answer is this way. The question, what is primary function router? This bit questions are providing. This is very easy to learn, very simple topic, single line topics. Everybody understanding. After that, the study plan to create. Study plan. Create personal 30-day study plan. You can ask this ChatGPT every student during the examination time before 1 month. Click here. It is providing this way topic. The 30-day plan is the given. If you want to clear this, you want to give the subject exam purpose, inter or degree, PG or PhD. Topic is to study. Recommended to study time, learning objects, practicals each day, providing revision task, daily complicated checklist. This way. The another prompt is the Patrick's questions generation. What is going on? You observe this screen. The Patrick's questions generation. This ChatGPT is the grade course examination level. If you want to grade is the PG grade and course is the CCNA. Examination level is the professional level. He provide this the questions and answer, the including this 10 multiple questions and choice, 5 short answer questions, 5 long answer questions, 5 application scenario based questions also is providing. This prompt is copy and this the output is coming. Now I will show you this. On screen, what happened is I will give this the grade. Remove this PG course CCNA exam / level and upload. This taken some time. What is primary purpose router computer networking is provided this way. The example this. Okay. Please subscribe, please share, please like if it is useful. This prompts it really thought. Please comment which topic is show like what prompt is the today given prompts, which topic is so much useful your study purpose. You can like and comment, tell me that particular prompt. Thank you, your VGR Learn.